Video. Oh, YouTube this.
Okay, you go to logarithm and look at your time, right? Your time is set, of course. So
Sir, 1 sec.
So here is your distance and your time, right? So all you got to do is look at the time video according to what it clicks on here. All right. I think the girls at the back had 1.500. Okay. So therefore, that means your time must be plus or minus 0.001. Okay. All depends on what's in there. Okay. If you go over here, the same thing works for distance. Okay. So it went in centimeters. I think it was okay 1. So we'll say 1.5 or whatever. Okay. So therefore, it's plus or minus 0.1. All right, because it's usually it should be 0.5, but because you have uncertainty on this side and you got uncertainty on that side, it's right. Okay, so now you have to go to figure out your line. So go and find a value on your line. So pick the point, the highest point that comes down here and comes down here. All right. So far, so good. All right. So, well, so this is your line of best fit. You just went on Logger Pro, gave you the line of best fit. You picked that at the highest point. Okay. So suppose this comes out to, where's the ladies? What value did you give me?
Here. 124.1.
All right. Suppose this was 124.1, and this value here was
1.5.
Okay, 1.5 seconds, okay? So therefore, when you divide 124.1 divided by 1.5, that's going to give you your speed, okay? So that part we know, that's going to come in meters per second, right? So now how do you figure out your uncertainty? So we'll do it in 3 steps. So I go like this, 124.1 plus or minus 0.1.
Your camera sucks.
1, right? So I'm going to go 0.1 divided by 124.1 times 100 equals A. Okay? I'm going to go over here and take the same thing, 1.5 plus or minus 0.001, because that's what it said on Logger Pro. And I'm going to go 0.001 divided by 1.5 times 100 equals B. Okay? A plus B equals C. Yeah, I know, easy, right? Okay. You take your slope, all right, so take this value, so you take your meters per second or your speed, and you multiply by C, and now you have your answer. So if this is 124.1 divided by 1.5, what is that?
12.30.
Okay, so say it's 12.3, okay? Plus or minus whatever that value. So 12.3 times, so 12.3 times C will equal to your uncertainty for meters per second. That's it.
So it's going to be a different one for each graph.
You only have to do it on
No, why would it be different?
because you're taking the average though.
Oh, yeah.
It's going to be the same, right?
Sir, thank you for your time.
That's it.
All right, videos.